We have discovered thousands of worlds, orbiting faraway stars on many planet-hunting missions. In fact, more than 5,000 exoplanets have been found and confirmed, and thousands more candidate exoplanets are under observation to verify their existence. However, did you know that there has been a severe scarcity of exoplanets, measuring between 1.5 and 2 times Earth's radius? Even though discovering super-Earths and giant gas-shrouded planets named mini-Neptunes is exciting, astronomers haven't identified a middle ground between these two kinds of exoplanets. This mystery was coined as the Small Planet Radius Gap back in 2017, and scientists have been continuously investigating why there are so few mid-sized heavenly bodies. And just recently, there has been a breakthrough in the case of the missing planets. The new clue emerged from a fresh way of looking at the data. Researchers at the Flatiron Institute analyzed whether the radius gap changes as planets age. Hence, they divvied up exoplanets into 2 groups, young and old, and reassessed the gap. And sure enough, they found that shrinking planets were aging planets. The researcher proposed that some observed mini-Neptunes shrink drastically over billions of years, as their atmospheres literally leak away, leaving behind a solid core. Therefore, these mini-Neptunes shift the radius gap and become super-Earths by losing their gas. As time goes on, the radius gap jumps get larger and larger as more mini-Neptunes make this jump and change into bigger and bigger super-Earths. So, what's next for these scientists? Figuring out which processes dominate in creating the radius gap is one focus. However, finding out could be tricky, as they will need to consider other factors such as interactions between atmospheres and planetary magnetic fields. But the overarching point to take away from this breakthrough is that planets are not the static spheres of rocks and gas we tend to think of them as. Just imagine how much more there is to uncover. To learn more about exoplanets, head on over to spacetv.net for all the latest news. For Space TV News, I'm Mia Belle Frothingham.